Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this fantastic bar cart from Benoss. Now, I cannot even express how in love I am with this bar cart. It is something that I have been wanting forever, and I just love the sophisticated design with the imitation marble and black finishing. It goes perfect in my breakfast area right next to my kitchen, and my favorite feature are the shelves for the glasses and the bottle holders. It makes making drinks so simple, so convenient. You have everything you need at your fingertips. It also has 2 shelves, so there's plenty of storage space while also being able to display my bottles. And it also has wheels so that I can transport it when I'm entertaining and move it around the room. It took about an hour and a half to assemble by myself, but I just love it, and I think you will too. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.